This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the bad actors are still going after XRP. They are terrified of XRP. They know that XRP is a game changer, and they know that a lot of banks are going to lose a lot of money when XRP starts doing what it does. You have the Oregon Attorney General filing a lawsuit against Coinbase and still claiming that XRP is an unregistered security. And this is on the state level, even though a federal judge, which is a higher court, has determined that XRP is not a security. But somehow this Oregon Attorney General is going after Coinbase and XRP anyway. He doesn't care that a judge already ruled that XRP is not a security. And that's had me wondering who put this guy in office. And a lot of his donations were through PACs and things like that, and I couldn't get all the available information of who his major donors were. But what I believe that a lot of his donors came out of the banking industry. Of course, that's what I'm thinking. Because this lawsuit makes no sense whatsoever. In my opinion, I don't see how he wins this lawsuit when a federal court already made a ruling on XRP and its status as an unregistered security. The federal courts already said it is not. So the only purpose of filing this lawsuit is just to create more negativity on XRP because somebody's probably pulling his strings. He has some puppet master pulling his strings because, in my opinion, this is a losing lawsuit because there's already federal precedent. So why would you be taking the taxpayers' money in Oregon to fight a lawsuit that legally I don't think you can win? Obviously, it's for some other nefarious purpose. It is not to protect the citizens of Oregon. It is not to protect anybody. It is to further the FUD and the inconsistencies when it comes to XRP. Okay? But I believe, just like I see it, I'm sure Oregon citizens see it, and he's going to have to explain this lawsuit when it's time for re-election, in my opinion. But I don't live in Oregon. I don't have a say in whether or not he is Attorney General in the next election. All I'm saying is this. I believe that the Oregon Attorney General is pushing this lawsuit for other reasons, and they're probably politically motivated and supported by probably banks in that state, okay, who are not happy with XRP taking over their international money transfer system. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the Oregon Attorney General is going after XRP for political reasons, not to protect his constituents? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.